Hey guys, it's Vass here from Aussie RC Playground, and today we're going to be speed testing the Co-Rally Python. Now the car is mostly stock, gearing and all of that is stock, power systems all stock. The only thing I've changed is I've actually put some oils in the diffs, because all three diffs actually just came with grease. So I've fixed them up and tuned them up a little bit. I've also cut the front nose of the body here and put that little piece bolted onto the front sort of diff case here. And that's really the only changes I've made to the car. I've adjusted my camber a little bit, and that's really about it. So we're just going to see what this thing can do. I've got a 4S battery in there, which is a Prime RC 5000 milliamp 50C, and then we're going to whack a 6S in here and yeah, push it to the limit and see what it's got. Okay, 4S pass, first go. Just going to go from there because this car has moved from one side of the road to the other and just sitting there. Here we go, Noah. How much? 64. 64. Okay. So on 4S, not the quickest out of the box, but respectable. Let's go one more time. Here we go. 60 that time. 60 k's an hour. Okay, so you could probably use a couple of teeth up on the pinion just for some 4S bashing. I don't think it's going to cause it any harm by just going a couple of teeth up. Here we go, Noah. Third and final pass. $61. We'll see what our GPS says. And then of course now we need to swap this out for 6S and see what we can get. So take that out. GPS is recording 61. So maybe that 64 was a bit of a fluke. Seems to be closer to 61, so I think I'll take that. And yeah, let's go with 6S and see what we can do. Alright, Noah, here we go. 6S. Let's see what this thing's got. By the way, one thing I did forget to mention is that I'm using my Futaba 3PV with this. Wasn't a big fan of the stock radio. Here we go, Noah. Whoa, squirrely. 87. That's pretty good for bashing straight out of the box. 87, very good on 6S. That's actually pretty good. Couple of teeth on the pinion, and I reckon you'll be on 60 mile an hour quite easily. Here we go, Noah. Maybe 2 or 3. 87 again. 2 for 2. Thank you. I will say one thing, at least on the tarmac here, it doesn't feel anywhere near as squirrely as it did when I drove it the first time. That could be diff tuning, camber tuning, who knows. Here we go, Noah. Third and final. 87 3 times. Well, if the GPS says 87, then don't have much of an argument for anything else. Let's see what this thing's got. Here we go. I'll zoom out a bit here. And we have, well, GPS had to be different, 88. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. 88 kilometers an hour. Stock as a rock. This thing, really, I haven't done anything to it other than all three diffs. Shocks are still the same. Tires are the same. All the electrics are the same. Everything's as you see it. XT150 plugs, and I'm running my Futaba radio. That's about it. Other than that, that's all she can do. So that is it for me, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, I'll be speaking to you all next time.